Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have this Magister Espresso machine with us in the shop. And pretty much it came in. It's a very, very old machine, as you can see from the water pump we changed from 2003. So what we did is we replaced the water pump. We did a tune-up on the machine. We replaced just the gasket. We weren't able to source the shower screen, but we did get a brand new gasket, brand new pumps inside of the machine, descaled your machine. And yeah, that's about it. We're going to test the machine now. We do not have a portafilter with us, but we're going to just test that water comes out through here, through steam one for hot water, and also steaming. And the grinder still works as intended with the little button here. Turns on, you can still move it around. We're going to test this function, which is espresso. As you can see, water's coming out. Now we're going to test hot water. Hot water coming out well. And now we're going to turn it off. We're going to hold this button down to make steam. And it's going to take quite a bit, so give me 1 second. Now that I hold it for a while, I open the valve, and as you can see, steam is coming out perfectly fine. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.